Hi there, students. Orgulous, an adjective. You can even have the adverb orgulously. It means proud, haughty, disdainful. He had such an orgulous attitude that everybody detested him. Yeah, he was just so proud of himself. Yeah, he was so supercilious. Yeah, so self-important. Okay, this is a very literary word. Yeah, if you use this in an informal conversation, people aren't going to know what you mean. It's very old-fashioned and literary. Yeah, it means you are very pleased or satisfied with yourself, and you are certain that you are better than everyone else. He looked at his workers orgulously. He treated them orgulously. Yeah, such an orgulous character is not really a very nice person. Yeah, he has this sense of pride that he's better than everyone else. He has an inordinately high opinion of himself. He's arrogant and haughty. I've got another great synonym as well. Astorperius. Yeah, Astorperius. You can look up this one. This one's pretty unusual as well nowadays. So, orgulous, full of pride. Yeah, a proud, haughty attitude that you are so much better than everyone else. Yeah, his orgulous pride made him the laughing stock at school. Okay, but remember, this is a formal word. So, orgulous, formal and literary. I think I'm going to give it an 8.5 in formality. So, use it in a literary writing in a formal document. You could use it in an essay as well, but on the formal side. And then, as to origin, well, to me this word was easy because in Spanish you have a word orgulloso meaning proud. Yeah, and it's an old word that comes from probably Old French. Yeah, or Orgulous or Orgulous, something like that, which probably itself comes from Proto-Germanic uzgojo, okay, meaning to boast out or something like that, to be showy, to be pompous. Yeah, it might also be related to a Latin word orgulia or orgola, I think meaning pride as well. Okay, so such an orgulous nation will always be the butt of people's jokes. So notice this word, it's critical. You're being nasty. You're saying somebody is far too proud for their own good. Yeah, maybe they suffer from such hubris. Yeah, he was orgulously hubristic. Well, that's a good pair of words. So, enough. Proud, haughty. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Orgulous or Orgulous.